Hello everyone. Welcome to the detailed paper explanation of the prelims conducted on 2023 by UPSC government policies which are asked in the UPSC prelims. So first question when we see here, we have the consider the following statements relation to Janani Suraksha Yojana. So that here we are going to discuss about Janani Suraksha Yojana. First of all, let us go back to the little analysis of this question and then come back to this and answer the question. So Janani Suraksha Yojana was first implemented in the year 2005 with an objective of decreasing the maternity mortality rate and infant mortality rate by promoting institutionalized deliveries. So here, that is the main objective of this Janani Suraksha Yojana, and who is going to implement it? It is implemented by National Rural Health Mission. And also here, now let's come back to the question and let us analyze it. The first point here talks about it is a safe motherhood intervention of state health departments. Yes, one more thing here we have to remember is health is a state subject. So here first thing talks about, yes, it is the safe intervention method, and this is the right statement as mentioned in the National Health Mission. It is a safe motherhood intervention of state health departments. That is true. Next we have the its objective. As I told, the main objective of Janani Suraksha Yojana, as the scheme tells us, Janani Suraksha. Janani means mother, Suraksha means safe. So here it is, that is the main objective of this scheme, reducing the MMR and neonatal mortality among the pregnant women by increasing the institutionalized deliveries. So that is what the statement 2 and 3 talks about. Statement 2 is about reducing, yes, that is the objective directly mentioned in the National Health Mission. And the last fourth one, its objective includes providing public health facilities to sick infants up to 1 year of age. No, this objective is not mentioned in the Janani Suraksha Yojana. So as we see here, there are three things. First statement, yes, it is a safe motherhood intervention. Second, yes, the main objective is to reduce the MMR and IMR. MMR is maternity mortality rate, IMR is infant mortality rate. Yes, that is absolutely right. And the third statement, how do we reduce it? By promoting institutionalized delivery system. So here correct option, which of the above statements are correct? Only three statements are correct from the policy. So option is D. So the correct answer for this question is option C. Only three statements are correct. So now let us go to the next question regarding this government policies. Here consider the following statements. The first statement talks about India's public sector healthcare largely focuses on the curative care with the limited preventive, promotion and rehabilitation care. So here, what is this curative care? Curative means once you are affected by the disease and then you are getting the treatment and you are getting the cure, that is called curative care. For example, you are being first you get the fever and then you go to hospital to take the medicine. That is curative. When you are already infected with the disease. So that is the curative care. And what do you understand by the preventive care? Preventive means even before attacking we take the precautions. When polio, we take polio drops. So that is prevented. We are preventing polio even before it is attacking us. Even if humans are getting attacked by it. That is the curative. And rehabilitative care. What is this rehabilitative care? For example, drug controls or drug rehabilitation centers. And promotive care, promotive means what are the good methods to avoid, giving advertisements in the TV to promote good health. So all these things are given here. Yes, in India, largely that is mentioned in National Health Mission policy that India largely focuses on curative care. So that statement is absolutely correct. Now we are going for the second statement. Under India's decentralized approach of healthcare delivery, states are primarily responsible for organizing health services. As I mentioned in the previous question, health is a state subject as mentioned in the Schedule 7 of the Constitution. 7th Schedule of the Constitution. Public health is a state subject. And what are the objectives? What does it does in the public healthcare system? So public health and sanitation, hospitals and dispensaries comes under the 7th schedule, that too under the state list. Now, what are the responsibilities that the state governments has to do under this? Management and monitoring of the healthcare force, providing provision of federally funded national health program, collection of data, information and statistics, so etc. There are other programs too. So this is a decentralized approach. And yes, thus both the statements are correct. But here the point is the next thing, that which of the following is correct in respect to above statements. When we see here, option A talks about both statement 1 and 2 are correct, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Here it is talking about the delivery system, public healthcare decentralized system. Here it is talking about the focus. So these are two different aspects. That's the reason why, both the statements are correct, yes. But statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. So here answer is B. So the option is B. That's it. So these are the two questions which the UPSC has given in the prelims for the under the government policy section. Thank you.